Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm really excited you clicked on this video. You may came across this randomly or intentionally for the web dev videos. So yeah, you are at right place. So this channel is all about web dev, beginner friendly coding tutorials and foundational computer science topics. My goal is completely simple to make learning web dev easy, approachable and honest. It will be a lot of fun. So I'm also a beginner, I'm also a learner. So I'll be sharing my tutorials, step by step projects and clear explanation of concepts that once I felt complicated for me, you may also feeling complicated for them right now. But don't worry, we will tackle it all together and share my success, mistakes, because mistakes are the best teachers we know. And the reason I'm going to start this channel is pretty personal. I love learning new things about tech, and I realized that learning alone sometimes can be tough. So by sharing my learning journey publicly, I hope it's not only help myself like stay motivated, but also inspire others who might feeling unsure like where to start. Learning together openly and collaboratively makes journey entire like rewarding. And you also know that in tech, in IT sector, it's important to know how to work with team collaboratively. Collaboration is very important. So here's what you can expect from this channel. Together, we will build a supportive, encouraging community where everyone feels comfortable to ask questions, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. My personal goal is to improve my own web dev skills by teaching, interacting, explaining with you, but also importantly, I want this channel to offer good content, educational, which help you to start your web dev journey. So let's come in comments, share your suggestions, tell me about your what are you struggling with, or just say hi and let me know about your journey too. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If this sounds like your kind of community, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and let's start the adventurous journey. See you next time, guys. Happy coding. Stay motivated.